So you have a new website and you're ready to take over the world and monetize it, but how do you do keyword research for a brand new website? We're going to walk through 5 different ways that you can find out where the money is at for you to rank for. Number 1, use a free tool like SpyFu. SpyFu is a great tool that's free and it also has paid upgrade options where it'll actually tell you what your competitors' sites are ranking for organically and paid. Now, even if you don't do any paid ads, it's great to look at paid data because it implies your competition is throwing money at it and getting a return. So therefore, you could likely monetize it on the organic side too. Number 2 is Ahrefs.com. Go to Ahrefs, type in your competitor's domain, and it'll tell you what they're targeting from an organic strategy. You can actually look and see very clearly by clicking on organic keywords what they're ranking for. Number 3, answerthepublic.com. We've talked about this countless times, and there's a lot of great videos if you go through and scroll and find them. Basically, what answerthepublic.com does is it tells you where the existing demand is on search engines. What are your customers already searching? That way, it helps you get in front of the buyer intent and the buying demand instead of guessing and shotgunning your way to a whole bunch of wasted time and effort. Like what you're watching so far, do me a favor and like and subscribe. I don't know which content brings you value unless you tell me. So liking and subscribing will help me know to make more of these videos, solve more of your problems, answer more questions, and help take you to the next level. Do that now. Like, subscribe, back to the video. Number 4, also like Answer the Public, is actually something I like better than Answer the Public. I like Answer the Public, but also Ask.com is slightly better. It gives more organized results, and it gives it more in a question format, so you can actually more clearly see what your customers and potential leads are searching. Use that, and you can actually type in a keyword. It'll tell you what people are asking, and it drills down. So you can click the plus sign, and it'll tell you deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper in endless ways about the keyword that you want to monetize. And the 5th way to do keyword research for your brand new website is to go manually look at your competition. If you look at this here on the screen, there's little areas on a website that people will optimize. And if you understand these variables on a website, you'll know that this is what your competition is targeting. So an example is title tags and meta descriptions that you see here on screen. So when you go to a competitor's website, you can look at areas like this, the title tag. The title tag will show up in your search engine results, but it also shows up in your browser tab. And if you inspect the code of the website, you can see the full title tag. So in this case, you can see that we target national SEO company and search engine optimization agency. You can also look in what's called the meta description field. This is what shows up in the second line of search engines. This is also a great area where your competition will emphasize what types of targets they're trying to rank for. There's 5 ways for you to do research to figure out what to monetize and target for your brand new website. We did it. We're learning something together. But here's the thing. I don't know what videos help you unless you tell me by liking and subscribing. So help me help you by liking and subscribing so I know what videos make an impact and help bring you to the next level.